All right, this is Bisecticon on Pipam, Mount Tzouhalem. The last stage of this year's Enduro Race Highland Cup Series. Gonna have a chiller ride on it today. Fun little trail. Haven't mastered that. Look at this. Leap of faith through there. Chill away today. Oh shit! Oh, tell me nothing's broken. Okay. Well, maybe it's not so good to go slow. I don't think anything's broken. Oh shit. Nice little crash. Oh, banged myself up there. I think I can get on again. Let's see. Oh, that stings. That's a sting. Okay, I think I'm okay. No broken bones. Good save from the helmet. Always ride at full face. Oh, my collarbone's a bit sore. That's all right. I'll just take it easy through here. Take the bad line on a route. It's wet. Oh, my collarbone is a little bit sore. I hope that's all right. I'll just ride it out here. The only other time I crashed on this trail was a bit farther down here. It's on this rock.